Welcome back, YouTube subscribers and viewers. Today we are in the reconstructed hospital within the enslaved community here at Somerset Place. And we're going to be talking, our artifact of the day is going to be the hay saw here, which was a surgical tool. Now this saw was invented by Sir William Hay of Leeds in England. He invented it over a course of 20 years or so and perfected it in 1803. Now this is a saw that was used for cranium surgery. So if an enslaved person had injury to the brain where there was pressure, this is the device the physician would have been using here. And so this chips away at the skull surrounding the point of injury to relieve the pressure on the brain. So it will completely take that portion of the skull away all the way till you see the brain matter, actually. And so this was a surgery that helped relieve that pressure, and hopefully the injury would heal better that way, and that the enslaved person would be able to get back to work as well. So we're actually not entirely sure if this was a procedure that was done here in the hospital, but it would have been a part of every physician's surgical kit during the time frame that we're talking about here. And so it might have been performed. There are records of a couple enslaved people on various inventory lists here that indicate they were rendered useless actually because of an injury. It does not state what injury it was or what was wrong with those people. But they would have been rendered useless in terms of, from the point of view of the Collins family. They wouldn't have been able to do any productive work here on the plantation. So that's a little bit about the hay saw here and about the hospital as well. So if you have any questions, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We would love to have new subscribers. And come out and get a guided tour. We'll talk a little bit more in detail about other items here within the hospital too. Thank you guys so much, and we hope to see you out here soon.